ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್ 2024-25.
JHS ಬಡವನಹಳ್ಳಿ, ಮಧುಗಿರಿ ತಾಲೂಕು, ತುಮಕೂರು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
Myself, Dhanalakshmi Kalini, 9th standard.
Myself, Harika Amma, 9th standard.
Our project name is Smart Glow. Traditional street lighting systems are wasting energy and resources.
Real-time monitoring and control environmental issues. Material used:
Light sensor, Arduino Uno, jumper wire, LED lights.
Working principle:
Distance, darkness.
give message to Arduino message to LED lights on. Demo of this project:
If this darkness, light is automatic on.
if no darkness, light is off. Thanks.